अच्छा देखिए एक्सरसाइज नंबर 118 कहता है we have credited your account with the 1,000 years of felt that you don't need and have sent back to us. First up, you will not be able to. You will not be able to. ये एल हाफ है किसके लिए? यानी डी के लिए. Select a better territory in which to locate your factory. First up, we wrote to the bank and we received word that if they were not able to collect the second note, they had not tried to collect the third. First off, he told us that he would send us a remittance, but that he could not undertake to pay the whole debt while trade was so uncertain. First off, thank you for your promptness in sending the 1,000 feet of copper wire. First off, we are enclosing our check which covers our outstanding indebtedness. तो देखें आउटस्टैंडिंग किस तरह लिखेंगे, ये आसान है. देखें ये है, ये आउट, ये स्टैंडिंग, ये आउट, ये स्टैंडिंग, इस तरह ये आसान है. अच्छा फिर कहता है the last shipment was short by 100 and our account should be credited for the amount of the shortage. First up, will you please try to find for me a report of the total imports and exports through the port of Vancouver. तो देखें किस तरह लिखेंगे. Vancouver, ये आसान है. ये वेन, ये का और ये उर. Vancouver. अच्छा ड्यूरिंग द लास्ट ईयर. फर्स्ट ऑफ फिर कहता है the belt illustrated on page 4 is very smart and it is the sort of belt which you look well with a sport outfit. First off, फिर कहता है एक्सरसाइज नंबर 119. It is often felt that a speed of 80 words a minute in shorthand is adequate for ordinary business purposes. However, some employers require a higher degree of skill and they will not employ a stenographer who cannot write 120 words a minute. First off, number 2, when you leave school with a certificate which states that you have passed a test dictated at perhaps 80 words a minute, you must remember that you are not fully equipped to meet every demand of the business world and you should endeavor to improve your skill and your knowledge. First off, if you wish to secure a position which pays a good salary, you should acquire a speed of at least 100 words a minute on all types of dictation. First off,